Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. Want to walk you through today our Nautique G25 Paragon. So this is the big boy in the Nautique lineup. The G25 comes in at 25 feet in length, and the Paragon is the top of the line. So we're going to walk you through a lot of different options that this boat has. Just a gorgeous looking boat as we look down at it. So this is a steel blue metal flake. As you can see, it's got that nice sparkle to it. Out on the water, the thing just looks amazing. We have also got the black bottom here, and then you can kind of see it's all kind of wrapped with some white, also some black. The tower, so this is their automatic 3-stage tower. It does go up and down, and you can see it has the black with the white as well. Let's head to the back of the boat here. So we've got a nice swim platform here with an accessible ladder for when you're in the boat. We've got the big NSS plate, so Nautique surf system. So when you press a button inside the boat, it just sets everything up, lets you surf to how you want to surf, which is really nice. We've got the NCRS system, so the Nautique configurable running surface, which continues the entire boat underneath, and that adjusts automatically. And you can mess with that with the NSS, surfing, wakeboarding, a little bit of everything. You got your Nautique surf pipe, keep the emissions down underneath the water. And then our Nautique steer assist. So you can steer this boat in a straight line backwards. You can flip it into 360, just by the press of a button, or by the wheel over by the throttle. So that's an excellent option and feature to have. Also underwater lights, you'll see there too. A lot to talk about. We'll start with the back of the boat. Let's go take a look. All right, welcome to the interior of this G25 Paragon. We want to show you right away the back here, the transom, are these seats. There's a tremendous place to sit. You got a nice little backrest here, a little headrest. You can hang out. You got a drink holder right here. Everybody's swimming and hanging out. This will be the place to be when you're with all your buddies and friends. And then this just goes back down. There is storage underneath there to get your boards, anything else you need. It's got lights underneath it, so that's kind of nice. You can see all the sea deck around here, so when you're getting on and off your boat, you're not stepping on any of the upholstery. Same thing when I step in. I've got a nice sea deck step as I come in. With the 25-footer, you've got just massive space in here. You could have as many friends in here as you want. This is a 19-person boat, but as you can see, just plenty of space. Both of these are on hinges with massive storage that goes all the way to the back. You can see the light, it lights up, so if you're coming in at night, it's easy to see all your stuff. We do have this nice seat that does pop up. I've actually got a couple different places where it can sit. Right here, I can lift it up, bring it back here, and then actually one more all the way to the back. This seat flips up. This seat flips up, so you can have everybody facing towards the back, watching surfing or wakeboarding, whatever it is you want. And as you're standing back there, I just want to point out this amazing tower. So this is a 3-stage electric tower that actually just goes up and down. So if you need to get under bridges, or if you have to go into a lift that's maybe not as tall, you can press this button right over here, and this whole thing will come down. In this package, you've got the bimini, you've got the speakers. These are 2 pair of 8.8-inch JL drivers in here with this encasing that's specific for the Paragon. And then we've got the nice racks right here. You can put your board right in here. The strapless rack is really nice. Those go in and then they fold out as well. And as we kind of come in here, I'm going to point to this beautiful helm that we got going on here. Nice seat. It's got a bolster. Really hugs you really nicely. It's got the Paragon has 2 different screens. So the one screen on the left here is all your data for the boat, all your zero off, you've got your speed, you've got your depth, a little bit of everything in there, and then all your controls for the boat are in the other link system on this side. So anytime you want to set up your wave, your lighting, everything else is right in there. So Just an amazing looking boat. You've got storage underneath this seat here. You've got some storage underneath this area right here. And then as we come to the bow, the 25-foot Paragon, it's got tons of space up in the bow. You could have 3, 4, 5, maybe even 5 people up here. You've got storage underneath both of these on hinges again, with lights underneath, sea deck underneath. You've got cup holders, you've got USBs. This boat has everything you'd want in an entire day of surfing, wakeboarding, whatever it is you're going to do it on the water. What I'm standing on here is the bow filler cushion, where it has the sea deck here, and if you flip it over, it's going to have this this fabric right here, so you can sit down on this and be nice and comfortable in here. So G25 Paragon, this is the big boy in the Nautique lineup. It is in stock here at our Rogers location. So if you want to come take a look at it, give us a call, set up an appointment, or just stop on by. We'd love to show it to you. Thanks. Have a great day.